New year, new craft goals. We're starting off 2024 with our annual Open Your Kit Challenge. So this challenge is meant to inspire all of those who have not opened their kit yet to go ahead, open their Ikonart kit, and get started crafting. We are running this challenge in our Ikonart Crafters group in Facebook, which of course I'll have linked below. And all you have to do to enter is open your kit, make a stencil, make a craft, post a picture about it, and you're entered into the contest. So you can either use the artwork that comes in the kit to make your very own stencil, or if you want to do your own artwork, the kit also does come with $190 worth of free artwork from So Fancy, so you can grab artwork from there and make your own stencil, or of course you can always make your own artwork as well. If you're new to creating or adjusting artwork using your computer, I'll have our full playlist linked below on artwork for beginners. So the way the challenge works is you open your kit, you make a stencil, and you can either post a picture in our Facebook group of the stencil you made or the project you made with the stencil, or both, however you want to do it. So each day a post in the group will be randomly selected, and that person will earn 1,000 points into our loyalty program on our website. So you're earning points to either get a discount on product on our website or a free product. And then at the end of the month, we'll have one grand prize winner who will earn 10,000 points into our loyalty program. The Ikonart kit comes with everything you need to get started. It comes with 3 sheets of our purple film, which is great for, textiles and wood signs. It comes with 3 sheets of our blue film, which is great for like flatter surfaces like chalkboards, glass, ceramic, clay jewelry, that kind of thing. It also comes with our quick start packet, which has full instructions. So just open this up, follow the instructions exactly as is, use the artwork that comes in the kit, and you'll be making your first stencil in no time. So head to our group, share your experience on making the stencil, using the stencil, what projects you're working on, and enter the Ikonart Open Your Kit Challenge. The contest is open to everyone who owns an Ikonart kit. However, the points may only be redeemed on our website, ikonartstencil.com, as part of our loyalty rewards program. And you have to get your posts posted to our Facebook group by midnight CST each night to be entered into the contest for the next day. I'll announce each winner the following day and contact you. And the overall contest ends January 31st, 2024 at midnight CST. So good luck and happy crafting!